Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to connect a Sonos speaker to your PS4 or PS5, you might notice it doesn't connect directly through Bluetooth or simple pairing. That's because PlayStation consoles don't support Sonos speakers as standard audio devices. This can feel confusing when you expect a quick connection, but the setup actually works through your TV or an audio connection instead. The good thing is that once you use the correct method, usually HDMI, ARC, or optical through your TV, you can enjoy your PlayStation audio on your Sonos system with great sound quality. Try these. Step 1. Connect your PS4 or PS5 to your TV using HDMI. Step 2. Connect your Sonos speaker or soundbar to the TV. Step 3. Turn on your TV, console, and Sonos device. Step 4. Go to your TV settings and set audio output to external speakers. Step 5. Adjust PlayStation audio settings to HDMI output. Step 6. Play a game or media and test sound through Sonos.